Hey, what's up? Good morning sa inyo mga ka-amethyst ko, at ito namang video to ay para sa aking mga Gemini for our full moon reading sa Mayo 2024. Okay? So this can resonate to any Gemini placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Take what will resonate with you and leave the rest. First card is Jack of Diamond. You are learning. You're very practical. You've learned so much, and now posibleng ilan sa inyo ay nag-aaral, may training, or may pinaasikasong papel sa pag-aaral. Ganun ang ibig sabihin nito. Lisensya, whatsoever. But definitely you have reasons to celebrate. You have reasons to be happy. Because along the way, kahit may mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan or grabe yung matinding pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo before or recently, meron ka raw dahilan para maging happy with your family. And one of your family members can be very nosy or pasaway or black sheep ng pamilya. And you have reasons to still believe na pwede sila magbago at maging mabait pa rin. Next, Ace of Spades. Pero ikaw ang kalungkutan ng iyong puso at kabiguan sa ngayon, ang pwede rin nagiging dahilan na kailangan mo raw mag-focus muna sa sarili. Okay? Kailangan mo muna unahin ang iyong sarili. Huwag na raw mag-alinlangan kahit nababagabag ka pa. Last, because if you are longing for someone, may namimiss ka o meron ka iniisip at hinahangaan, ito ay gamitin mong inspirasyon para maging mas professional, mas matured, at mas matibay sa gagawing mga plano na matagal nang sinabi sa'yo. Four of Spades, kung may mga sitwasyon na hindi ka sigurado kung ano nangyayari, or blanco, okay, madilim, at natatakot ka na tuluyan na itong mawala sa'yo, but do not worry about that lost feeling of yours. Dahil malamang kailangan mo lang talagang maglito sa mga lumang sitwasyon, bagay, or tao sa buhay mo. Kagaya nitong Mercury retrograde, sana ay natuto ka na huwag nang pabalik-balik or paulit-ulit ng mga same scenarios. Okay? Ngayon, gamitan naman kita ng tarot card, aking Gemini. So, dahil sa pride at paninindigan, malamang magagamit ito ngayon sa panahon to para maging tama ang mga desisyon. Eight of Wands in reverse, meaning to say, you will have a very slow moving face, or parang may mga bagay na nag-hold back sa'yo. Next is Six of Pentacles in reverse, and you will feel like hindi ako na-appreciate, hindi nakita yung kabutihan ng aking puso, hindi nakita ang aking value. Yun ang mga mararamdaman mo ngayon. Nine of Cups, but you still have a new way to offer your love or care. Meron ka raw mga bagong paraan na pwedeng ipakita ang iyong pag-aalala, pagmamahal, or pag-unawa, lalo na kung ikaw ay napakabuting anak sa iyong mga magulang. May mga bagong offer ng opportunities, pagkakataon para mas mag-grow at mas maging masaya in a new way, at maging very professional or stable sa iyong kinakatayuan ngayong career or negosyo, kung ano man. But definitely you have this clear idea that I made the right decision of moving forward. Okay? Next, gamitin naman kita ng Oracle card. Shuffle na rin ito. Tingnan natin kung anong mensahe ng mga baraha sa'yo. First card is, there's no place like home. So you will, you will definitely miss being at home. And you have so many questions, why? Bakit ito nangyayari sa akin? Pero kailangan mo lang daw magsipag at magtrabaho ng gusto. Okay? Magsikap ng gusto. Dahil ang importante ay ngayon, kung anong present moment, here and now is the most important thing in your life. Not the past, not the future, but your present moment. Alagaan mo itong mabuti. At bawasan ang pagiging overthinker. Okay? Dahil sa sobrang overthinker mo, baka hindi mo na ma-appreciate ang susunod na buhay or new life na ibinibigay sa iyo ng pagkakataon. You will have milk and honey and new possibilities to earn more money, more prosperous na pamumuhay, na makakaranas ka rin ng patas na laban. You will experience having a very fair judgment from other people. Rules and regulations will be fair with you, and you might process legalities or documents na akala mo wala na pag-asa. But there is. Kailangan mo lang maging pasensyoso. Okay? So, Gemini yan, ang ilan sa inyo ay makakaranas daw ng You have to go with the flow like a water. Kung naguguluhan ka or maraming troubles kang iniisip, especially that you're in another country, you're physically separated with someone or some people, do not trouble yourself, because all you have to do is focus on preparing your documents and papers para maalala mo raw ang nakaraan or past. Kung importante sa'yo ang pagkakaroon ng wife, husband, or partner in life, the most important thing is not to have that kind of status, but to find true love. And you need to love yourself first and not to have investments na hindi mo naman magiging partner. So, last but not the least, sa career, you have handsome opportunities. You'll be acknowledged as a handsome person as well, or a beautiful person. So, give yourself enough time to break or pause. Lalo na sa idea ng pagkakaroon ng darling, kasi hindi na siya healthy para sa'yo. So, good luck, ma Gemini ko.